Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really neat Japanese 4-panel room divider. Now this is really different than some of the other ones I've seen because it has this nice arch, and then this kind of little fabric in between here it allows all of the light to show through, but you can't actually see what's happening. So it is beautiful up against like corner of a room, kind of let some natural light through. Or you do have the ability to move it. Now this is, like, you can move it however you want because the hinges are a double hinge. So you can do it however you're wanting to fold it up if you want to put it out of the way, or you can easily move it. Like I said, you just stack it up. Now this is about 5.5 feet tall. So that is a nice height, and it goes about 54 inches as far as your size, or 64 inches, sorry. Then if you want it to set up as a room divider, say you want to separate out living room and your kitchen, maybe you're having a little party in here, you can just easily set this back up and create a little division for a room. Or if you need to change back here, anything like that, this is a really pretty little divider that you can have in your bedroom, living room, corner of a room. It's got this nice black wooden finish. It's a beautiful piece that you can put anywhere